Hey guys, welcome back for another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you this cool new product by Costar. This is the wireless doorbell kit, which has a 300-meter wireless range. That's right. So if you're looking to replace your existing doorbell without having to do any rewiring, this is the perfect product for you. Not just that, you can even use this as an emergency call bell if you have senior citizens living in your house, or you can use this bell in the office or hotels or even hospitals where you want to use a wireless system to trigger a bell to inform someone. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. So here you have the receiver. The receiver is a simple 2-pin plug type receiver with the speaker here at the bottom. This is the LED indicator with the volume button on the left and the tone selection button on the right, and it comes with 32 different types of ringtones that you can choose from. What else is in the box? Let's see. You have the transmitter, and it comes with the battery preloaded. You might have a tag here to pull off before you can start using it. And within the box you also have some screws if you want to attach the transmitter to a wall or any other surface, and double-sided tape to mount the receiver, which you can simply apply at the back and mount it to the wall surface that you want to mount it on. And additionally, you also have an instruction manual. The transmitter comes paired with the receiver, so you don't have to do any initial setup to get started. Simply plug in the receiver and start using the transmitter. Alright, so let's have a quick demo. I have plugged in the receiver, powered it on, and the LED comes on almost instantly. I'm gonna press on the transmitter and it almost instantly triggers the receiver, and here you can flip through the volume levels to increase or decrease the volume, as well as the tone selector button to flip through different ringtones. And once you've selected the ringtone, simply press on the transmitter again and you'll see the new ringtone being reflected every time the transmitter is pressed. So this is a really easy to use product that requires no setup, and almost anybody with no prior electrical or technical knowledge can set this up and start using it right away. The link to purchase this is available in the video description. Do click on the link to check out the latest price and the discounts. Do let me know your experience of using this product. Hope you enjoyed watching this product on the channel. Do leave a like on the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.